Executive function is one of the main cognitive domains. We talked a little bit about how there are multiple domains within the broader term of cognition. Executive function is a cognitive process that actually oversees multiple other cognitive processes. It's sort of a master cognitive domain. Practically, executive function refers to the ability to plan and organize and regulate. Now let's dive into that word regulate a little bit. In society, there are certain behaviors that you should do and shouldn't do depending on the context and the environment. Executive function allows us to regulate our behavior, inhibit certain behaviors, or allow certain behaviors depending on the context. Now the aspect of planning and organizing, this is for all you project managers out there, your ability to use executive function to organize and then plan and then project something out into the future that you hope to achieve, all of that is executive function. And all of that is largely the frontal lobes. That works together to amass all this data from auditory stimuli, from visual stimuli, to organize and plan, and then regulate what you need to enact your plan. Now, a Russian neuropsychologist named Alexander Luria in the early 1900s came up with a motor test to see indirectly how the brain's executive function is working. If you join me and place your hand like this and the other one on top, there are 3 movements I want to do together. The first one is making a fist with your hand. The next one is making this cutting motion with your hand, and then this slapping motion. And if you cycle between the 3, so fist, cutting, slap, try to do these 3 as fast as possible. If you can do this no problem, then your executive function is working very well. If you have trouble with this, then there's room for improvement. And there are many ways to improve executive function and improve how the frontal lobes operate to allow for that. If you found this interesting and you want to learn more, visit us at rbiclinic.com.